Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Maddie, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use to-dos. To-dos are a very useful feature in RemNote, especially for project management, going to the grocery store, or just making a checklist of a lot of things that need to get finished. So let's just get right into it. So what are to-dos? To-dos are rem with checkboxes. Very similar to making a checklist for anything you need to do, you can do that in RemNote as well. So how do we use to-dos? There are a couple ways to use it, and I'm going to go over all those ways right here. So let's say that I'm in history class, and my professor says that we have a research paper due next Friday. So I'm going to add a to-do to remind myself to finish this by next Friday. So turn in research paper, and here I'm going to insert a date using 2 exclamation points, typing in next Friday, which automatically chooses next Friday for me. Now to turn this rem into a to-do, simply hold Ctrl and hit Enter. You'll see that that creates this checkbox right next to the rem. And you can either manually check the box with a left click, or you can actually just cycle through unchecked and checked using Ctrl+Enter over and over and over. Another example, say you're going to the grocery store and you need to make a shopping list. And I'm just going to put a few things here. So with the list here, I can actually just highlight my cursor over all of the rem and use Ctrl+Enter to batch make to-dos. Hitting Enter while you're on a to-do will also make another to-do, just so you can continue a list if you're making a list. And of course, you can use the slash menu or the omnibar to turn any rem into a to-do. Now let's say that a couple days go by, and I remembered that I did make a to-do for turning in that research paper, but I kind of forgot what date it was. You can actually open up the to-do document and view all of your to-dos that are finished or unfinished, which means they're checked or unchecked, all from a single place to see all the to-dos you've ever made. I'll open up the to-do document using Ctrl+P to search for rem in my knowledge base, type in to-do, and I'll choose this one here with that bullet sign, which means it's a power-up rem. And here I can actually view all of the to-dos that are finished or unfinished in my knowledge base. All right, everyone, that's everything about to-dos, and I will see you in the next video.